Hello everyone, in this video I am sharing with you and I'm doing a review about a data mining app. I have done two videos about a data mining app already and I've had referrals up to going to about 30 people that have joined the data mining app using my referral link. I thank you all for joining. Now, yesterday or today, somebody posted below that one of the videos I made that is it a scam or not a scam? And I said, and I told the person asked, how will you know if data mining app is not a scam? And I said there are different ways you can know if a project is a scam, and there are various ways you can know if a project is not a scam. And I informed the person this is how you can know. Go online and check reviews about the project, and then you are going to see whether the project is a scam or not a scam. And based on that information, I thought that many people too be wondering if this data mining app is a scam or not. Now, how do you know if a project is a scam or if it's not a scam? One major way you should know if a project is a scam or not is if the project asks you for money, then it's a scam. Then if the project does not ask you for money, so how are they scamming you? A person that scam you want to take money from you or get something from you. A person that is not scamming you does not want to take money from you. He just want to do business with you in a way. So the data mining app has recently gained attention in the cryptocurrency community with discussions about its legitimacy. And by the way, data mining app is similar to Pi mining app in approach and in outlook, just that there are minor differences in the joining method and other things. But they are similar to the Pi mining app. So to assess whether this data mining app exhibits characteristics of typical of scam airdrop projects, let's examine common red flags and see if they apply to data mining apps. So for any scam airdrop project, there are some red flags. So we're going to see if this data mining app have those red flags. So we're going to look at the red flags, the common characteristics of scam airdrop projects. Number one characteristic of scam airdrop projects is lack of transparency. Scam projects often provide little information about their team, location, or project details. Then they also have unrealistic promises. The offers of high returns with minimal effort can be indicative of fraudulent schemes. Then poor online presence. And a scam project limited to or no official website, social media activity, or community engagement. That is the characteristics of a scam airdrop. Apart from this, they have negative user reviews, multiple reports or reviews labeling the project as a scam. Apart from this, there are requests for upfront payments. That means the scamming airdrop projects will ask you to pay upfront payments, asking users for fees to unlock features or withdraw funds. Now, let's look at the evaluation for data mining app. The first thing we see here is that the data mining app they have transparency. Information about the data mining app's development team and project details appears to be limited. This lack of transparency can be concerning as legitimate projects typically provide clear information about their team and projects. So this is one downside of data mining app. Then user review. Community feedback is mixed. Some users compare it to early versions of other mining apps, suggesting potential, while others express skepticism. For instance, a Reddit user mentioned data network has a great future like early Pi days. However, such optimism is not universally shared and caution is advised. Now, it also has online presence. The app has some presence on platforms like YouTube and Facebook with tutorials and discussions available. However, the quality and authenticity of these resources vary and users should approach them critically. That is another review. Then monitoring requests. There is no clear evidence from the available resources that the data mining app requests upfront payments or fees from users. Nonetheless, users should remain vigilant and avoid any app that asks for payments to unlock features or withdraw funds. I have some projects I've mined, and now they are saying that they want to verify if I'm human. They want me to pay. I said I'm not doing again. Another one said I should pay for a particular transaction and it's compulsory. Immediately, even though I've mined it for many times, they have gone their location. Now they're asking for money. I say no, I'm not interested again. To market, I've done it for me. I paid heavily, paid for premium, paid for this, paid for that. Nothing came out of it. This Rocky Rabbit also did the same thing. Nothing came out of it. Cat did the same thing. And the goat did the same thing. I did not get up to what I put in. So let us be wary. But in the case of this data mining app, it is not asking. It's not asking for money. It has online presence and it has some legitimacy. That is why I am suggesting that you should join the mining. And if you want to join the mining, I'll leave the link to my own for you to be under me, to the referral link in the description section and also in the comment section of this video. So while the data mining app does not exhibit all the typical characteristics of a scam, the limited transparency and mixed users reward reviews warrant caution. Maybe with time we're going to know more about them, but for now, everything I know about data mining app, I think everything is cool and okay. The limited transparency and mixed user reviews warrant caution. Potential users should conduct thorough research, seek out additional user experiences, and remain vigilant for any red flags before engaging with the app. It is essential to approach new cryptocurrency projects with skepticism and ensure they align with best practices for security and transparency. So the person that asked that question, you have asked a good question. Any crypto project, we have to look at it and look at it and look at it and look at it. One of the things I do, if it is Telegram project, is that if the project, as soon as I join, the project gives allowance for me to input my withdrawal method, my withdrawal account, then I know that I take it serious. But some projects, you start it, they don't have withdrawal method at the start. Maybe they'll be planning it later. Once I see that one, I don't join it. Or even if I have to join it to get some points for another project, I don't take it serious. But the one that once I join like this, I can see the airdrop that I can input my Tom Wallet account or by my Bridget account or whatever to withdraw funds at the end, and they're asking for it at the beginning. Those kind of projects, I go all out and all in for them. So this is how I try to identify and how I try to separate. And then more projects that makes some kind of turn transaction or start transaction compulsory, immediately I sign out and I leave it. I don't want to pay for any crypto airdrop. It is called airdrop because it is actually airdrop. Airdrop implies that you will not pay anything for you to be able to get something out of it. Now, are you asking to visit Telegram to do something, visit Twitter to do something, YouTube to do something? Already, I'm helping you to make money by those actions I'm making. At the same time, you're asking to come and pay for something. I will not pay. So this is how I'm going to draw the line on this channel, on this video for today. I want to like this video, share the link of this video, subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. And this is Dr. Olugbengade YouTube channel. On this channel, I bring information on how to make money online and offline. If you watch this video on my channel and all my videos one after the other for 6 months, or you're watching one video per day for 6 months, by the end of 6 months, your life should be better. If your life does not get better, stop coming to watch this channel. But I am sure your life will get better because I am sent to you to make you rich, to make you wealthy through the information and opportunities I have. On this channel, I've done more than 1,000 videos talking about different opportunities and businesses. Go ahead and watch them and you are going to be glad today. I'm going to see you in the next one. Before then, subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment in the comment section. This video popping up by the side, right for my channel, is the next one. You need to go and watch. So go ahead and watch it. Go ahead. This one, yes.